Hey, it's hot out, and the last thing you want is bad hair. That's right, your hair to be bad. Brenda Dusseaux is here with some haircut ideas and products to give us hair healthy looks, right?
Yes.
Did I say it right? Or healthy hair looks? Hair healthy looks or healthy hair looks?
Protect, hydrate, nourish, all those kind of fun things.
There you go.
Because I don't know if you've noticed, but it's been a little hot outside.
A little hot, and it's getting hotter out there.
Right.
And I know like women, you know, are kind of like throwing all kinds of products in their hair to keep it moist, keep it going, and that's not good, am I right?
Right, so the three little basic points I want to make here is hydrate your hair. This is going to be super important because we're a dry climate anyways, right? And then we want to protect our scalp. So we want to use stuff with a full broad spectrum of the UVA, UVB protection, right?
Got it.
And then we want to use less heat. So the things I want to talk to you about are going to be very void of chemicals, something like this, which is going to be very kid-friendly, as well as mom, dad-friendly, other sibling-friendly, stuff like that. So we're going to go through all this, but I want to start off here with my model.
Yes.
And she's got this nice new trending layered haircut that is really all the rage, and the new side hair part, which is coming back in too.
Ooh.
And we decided to give her layers to give her this nice new look because her hair was one length, but again, the ends were getting dried out. She was suffering from all the heat we're having.
Yeah.
So we trimmed up the layers, as you can see, beautiful. We added very subtle highlights to keep the color at a minimum, chemical services at a minimum. And then now we have to teach her how to protect the hair.
Yes, very important.
So when you shampoo your hair something like this, you're gonna start off with, this is one of my products that I use all the time. It is a Pureology product, and the reason why I love it is it's got that broad spectrum heat blocking, sun blocking in there that you want, full UVA, full UVB protection.
All right.
It's gonna protect the scalp, it's gonna protect the hair from, you know, over sun type of stuff, okay?
Okay,
so now, another little DIY that you want to do. You're going to take.
Is she just going to put it in?
Right. She's going to, and you can do this dry.
Yeah.
Wet and dry, which is really nice, right?
Like that. I like how your models just grab the stuff themselves and just put it in there.
Well, I let them do it.
Okay. Do you? Okay. All right.
Okay. So another DIY that we love, and I love my little pink water bottle. Pink, pink, pink. We're going to like the Barbie theme.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to take like a conditioner, just a regular basic, any one of these conditioners. We're going to put it in our water bottle, about a 1/4 inch.
Okay.
And then we're going to fill it with water. And that is going to be our automatic, also DIY protection. You're on the beach, you're at the pool, you're in the heat. Yeah, and you're just going to spray your hair down. It's going to condition, nourish, all that kind of good stuff. So you got all that going on here. You've got your, and remember to revitalize, rebond, because the sun's taking stuff out. You've got a product like this. It's going to rebond, it's going to revitalize, it's going to restructure the hair.
Okay.
Now, my absolute favorite, my crown jewel of these products right here, and you can get these on Amazon for like $9 to $10.
All right.
Are these 8-second instant hydration. You shampoo your hair, towel dry, you throw it on, you feel a little warming effect coming on, you rinse it out, and your hair feels so instantly silky, like this beautiful silk that we have here, the silk blouse that we silk here. And I love it. So then,
okay, very quickly, go ahead.
Shampoo, conditioner, really fast. This is essential oils and just a couple other ingredients, about 8 ingredients. Former assistant of mine went back to school, got her PhD. This is her formulation.
Oh, wow.
Get these on Etsy, and I'm telling you, you want no chemicals, this is the way to go. Essential oils, wonderful, clean smelling, kid-friendly, and then all family-friendly. Again, UV filters. Okay, so it's going to protect that. You've got your comb here to throw your hair up.
Let's talk do hair really up, because that's important. While she's, let's go. It's down. It's hot outside.
You're
it's 100
down.
degrees.
It's hot outside, and you want to take your
kids from soccer practice.
You're going to pull, and you can go like this, right? You're going to take a little comb like this. Love these, Amazon, and you're going to take it, and you're just going to punch it in. Look.
Punch it in. There it is.
Right?
There it is.
You spray it with your protection, that kind of thing, right?
Yep.
You can have your other little clippies, which are my favorite, 90s inspired. That one. Bye-bye. Okay, and you can take it, right? And if you want to pull up a few little small pieces,
look at that.
You throw those in. You've got your nice wide tooth comb to comb it all through, and your brush, and then your little rat tail comb to part the hair.
There it is. There it is.
Voila.
Brenda, all set to go, and of course, got the cool hairdos, everything to go.
Yes.
Where can they find out more?
Okay, so you can go to my Instagram account, Brenda_Dusseaux, and then I'm at Zoltan Salon in Scottsdale. So yeah.
There it is.